So, you want to get better at drawing. Firstly, this is awesome. Secondly, to draw better, you have to draw more, like a lot more. My name is Rich Armstrong, and in these videos, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to start drawing more. In this video, I'm going to make it fun to draw, because if drawing is not fun, we don't draw. So, to draw more, make it fun. Now, there are tons of different ways to make drawing fun. And what we're going to be doing here is draw with our non-dominant hand. So, if you're right-handed, draw with your left hand. And even putting it in your left hand, you might be like, say what now? I can't do this. Yeah, this makes it fun. And if you're like a special person who can do stuff with both hands, maybe try draw with your feet or something like that. Or, I don't know, draw with some weird kind of stylus. Make it a little bit difficult to draw. But now, what to draw when you're drawing with your non-dominant hand? Your non-dominant hand. What we're going to do is we're going to draw stuff that we actually use with our hands. So have a quick look around, and if you can pick it up, then you can draw it. If you use it with your hands, you can draw it. If you can't see anything around, just draw it out of your imagination. Now, I'm going to spend 5 minutes on this exercise. You can draw one thing, you can draw 10 things. If you finish drawing something and you're like, okay, I'm done, just move on to something else. So I've got these handy things called time timers. They're really cool, and I'm going to set mine for 5 minutes, just like that, so I know when to stop. All right, I see a camera in front of me. Fancy that camera. I can use that with my hand. So I'm going to try draw this with my left hand. And this is really difficult, right? You're like, I can't do this. Don't turn streamlining on. Be bad at this, all right? And don't undo, just see what comes out. So this is like a lens. There's maybe like a little bit of a thingy over there. Yeah. And this is like a Blackmagic camera. And so it's not really round around there. And it's more like a toy, right? With this big like handle over here with a couple of buttons and like this little squiggly wiggly thing here. The bottom. And this light is orange, which means it's not the one that's currently on. And it says Lumix over there. Definitely cannot write left-handed. And it's got a bunch of other numbers and stuff over here. It's got another circle in here. And you can see I am observing, which is a tenet, a really good tenet of becoming better at drawing. But I'm drawing left-handed. And this becomes really interesting. It's a really interesting drawing already. And there's a couple of other buttons up here. And man, drawing stuff like buttons, round circles, it shows that I'm definitely not crazy. There's a couple of square ones. Whew. A couple more round ones. Man, there's a lot of buttons on cameras. That's crazy. There is this little sticky out part here. All right. It says Blackmagic over there. A couple of other little things. There's this record button over here. I think it's a record button. And there's a little hooky over here. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of straps over here because it's made out of rubber. And got a little face over there. A lot of stripes, which is the grip. So yeah, I really like where this is going. I've got about 1.5 minutes left, so let me try something new. What else is around here? There is a remote over there. So I'm going to draw a remote. And It's got lots of buttons. Oh my goodness. Trying to draw buttons like this is interesting. And they are like slightly 3D as well. And again, why are there so many buttons? Give me an Apple remote. It's buttonless. Well, not buttonless. It's got a lot less buttons. Okay, there's like a gap there. So we've got 2 buttons here. All right, and it's got like a little bit of a, I don't know, a seam. It's got some information here. Okay, and maybe a little bit of information over here, and then some shadow. And again, you can be as detailed as you like, or you can try to be as detailed as you like with your non-dominant hand. But these are, well, they can be simple exercises. All right. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I'm out of time. And now, after doing this for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can then start doing it with your right hand. You've had a bit of fun. That's cool. Now you're drawing. You've started drawing. Carry on drawing with your dominant hand or your non-dominant hand. But a warning, if you carry on drawing with your non-dominant hand over and over and over, it will get better. So I used to do this when I played table tennis or ping pong. I was really good at it. So when I played people who sucked, I'd be like, look, I'll play with my left hand. But over time, I actually got really good with my left hand. Like, it was really solid. Hunk, hunk, hunk. And now I think when I start playing again, I'm still better at my left hand than my right hand, because my right hand tries to do all the fancy top spin, bottom spin, sideways spin, hard hitting, whatever. And my left hand just like hunk, 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 hunk. So anyway, just a friendly warning. I hope this helps you draw more. I hope it helps you draw better. For more tutorials and stuff like this, check out Pen Tips. And if you like what I'm doing here, you can follow me. My name is Rich Armstrong from Tap Tap Kaboom. And there are tons of creative workouts that you can try out on Tap Tap Kaboom. All right, bye for now.